Hi guys, welcome to Los Angeles. Aabay kami today. Pang 100 na abay namin this year. Kasal ng pinsang ko. Tara.
Let's go!
Sir, please face our guest. How long have you guys known each other?
Hello guys! We're home from Bulacan and today magluluto tayo ng chicken karaage. This is my first attempt and nahirapan lang ako maghanap nitong potato starch. But pwede naman din yung corn starch. Let's start. I'll get my... This is our chicken. Na-marinate ko na. So we're just gonna coat it with potato starch. I'm so excited. Good luck. Good morning! So for today, I just wanted to share with you guys some of the packages that I received for this month. Let me know if you guys like to see these types of videos. Actually, just be showing you 3 items para hindi na sobrang humaba yung video pa. I just wanted to quickly share in case you guys are also interested in these items. I am actually not feeling well for this video and currently I am experiencing dysmenorrhea. So how have you guys been? Are you guys okay? Yeah, I think na this month is just so stressful. How has your September been? It's so busy and full of events that of course we are very thankful and grateful for, but you know, make sure to always take care of yourselves, of your bodies, and always prioritize your health before anything else. So without further ado, let us start. So first is from Funko Pop Philippines. They sent me a Jose Marie-chan, and of course, we all know that he is the iconic Christmas character. So, alam niyo na guys, Christmas is near and it's getting a little bit chilly. Medyo maulan na rin talaga. I don't know, I like rainy weather kesa mainit. How about you guys? Okay, so I think this would be nice to display on the desk or pag nag-set up na kami ng Christmas tree soon. So, I think this will be nice somewhere beside it. Thank you, Funko Pop and Nico Lim for this. Please correct me, how is the right way to pronounce it? Is it Funko or Funko Pop? But anyway, thank you guys for this. Okay. Next item is this EV Scalp Cleanser. It is a sea salt scalp cleanser. It removes product buildup, dirt, and dandruff on the scalp and on the hair. all the way from Davao. So I'm actually super excited to try this out. This is the packaging. It's very aesthetic and clean looking. It's very me. It belongs to my bathtub, to my bathroom. This is 240 grams. To be honest, this is the first time na gagamit ako ng sea salt scalp cleanser. I haven't tried to scrub my hair. So I guess that it's also important to scrub our hair because the same way that we exfoliate our faces. Stay tuned for more posts about this product from me on my Instagram. And if you guys haven't been following me already on Instagram, please follow me at Izzybelly. That's IZZYBELLY. I'll see you there, guys. I-open na natin ito. It smells so good. Yung amoy niya, parang clean, luxurious lotion. Ganun yung amoy niya. I didn't expect it to have that very luxurious scent kasi parang akala ko salt siya. So I was expecting it to have no scent at all. Ilalagay ko to mamaya sa hair. Tikman natin, guys. Maalat kaya siya? Wag na. Wag na lang. Okay, so that is it for EV Sea Salt Scalp Cleanser. And last but not the least is from White Republic. So this is their Smart Teeth Whitening System all-in-one. Just to share with you guys, I'm very addicted with teeth whitening. In fact, I use a whitening toothpaste and I have also tried the whitening strips. So a lot of you guys have been asking me and i-share ko na rin sa inyo in this video my experience compared to those products as well. I may not have the straightest and most perfect teeth, but for me, it's very important to keep them white, especially nowadays na addict tayo with iced coffee, milk tea, and wine. First of all, on a daily basis, I use a whitening toothpaste. I think that it doesn't really lighten the shade of your teeth. It just prevents it from staining further or getting more yellow. I use the whitening toothpaste of Colgate, but I also have tried other brands, foreign brands as well. Personally, for me, what works is the Colgate White. Crest is also okay. It has similar effect lang din with Colgate. It also keeps your breath fresh, but maybe not as long. So that's why I choose Colgate better. For the strips naman, I have only tried one brand, and I'm sure you guys are familiar with that brand. And in my opinion, it works. It's just that it's too strong and my teeth are not sensitive at all. Like, kahit kumain ako ng malamig, hindi siya nangingilo. And when I use the whitening strips, right after, there's this weird feeling na parang matatanggal na yung teeth ko. And the fact that you have to use the strips for up to 10 times, I can't even go 10 strips. I can only do 3, but it works. I think that if you just want a faster and hand-aid solution for it, then you can go for strips. If it's just one event that you would like to whiten your teeth, for example, it's a birthday or a wedding or just an important event that you want to attend, and yes, I do recommend that you go for strips because the strips cost somewhere around where I buy it. At Shopee, it varies around 1,200 for 10 strips. So, i-divide nyo na lang. Around 120 per strip. It depends also on your teeth, how many strips it will take you. Okay, so, being said, my experience for the toothpaste and the whitening strips, I am so excited to be able to try this Smart Teeth Whitening System. This is the box. When you open it, meron siyang activating LED light. It comes with a mouthpiece na plastic. So this one you can always wash after use. Then ito yung switch niya to turn it on. Tapos yung plug comes with 3 options. No, actually 4 options pala. This one comes in micro USB. And then if you are an Apple user, and you can also opt for USB. It also comes with, of course, a manual, the teeth whitening shade, 3 pens, and the desensitizing gel pen. So dito ko nilalagay yung gamit ko na para hindi ako malito. It looks like, you know, the lip products that we use or concealer. Ganun siya, and it works that way. You just twist, and then lalabas na yung product here. It smells like glue, pero very mild lang naman yung scent niya, and nawawala rin siya right after you put it. And this is actually more fun to use than, medyo mahirap kasi kabit yung strips, and it has a very bitter taste na sobrang uncomfortable, and you have to let it sit on your mouth for a very long time. This one just takes 16 minutes for 10 days. You can do it for 10 days straight. It depends na lang how long it will take also for your teeth. In my case, on the first and third day, I already saw the difference, but I'm already satisfied with day 5. So I have stopped using it on day 5. Ilalagay mo siya on your teeth. Then after, you will plug this in your phone. It will light up and then automatically shut off after 16 minutes. Right after, you can apply the desensitizing gel in case maka-experience kayo ng pangingilo ng teeth. But in my case, surprisingly, wala. As in, ina-expect ko siya kasi every time I use the whitening strips, nangingilo talaga yung teeth ko. For this one, wala siyang ganong feeling. And I actually appreciate that because I would rather go for mild whitening. Same concept that we have for our faces. Siyempre, when we do exfoliation, we just want to do it mild, diba? Rather than doing it quickly, pero we damage naman our skin barrier. So, it's really up to you guys kasi visible yung results niya. But for me, the strips are, mas mabilis siya compared to this one. This is more gentler way. But if you ask me, mas sulit siya because the strips cost 1,200 and that's only 10 strips. After 10 strips, ubos na. Wala na. But this one, I think 1 pen goes a long way kasi sobrang konti lang yung ilalagay nyo. And it comes with 3 pens. 1 pen, you can use it up to 15 times. Very sulit siya. And then, if you need to refill, you'll just have to buy the pens. I think that it's a much funner way to brighten up your smile. So in my case, I was a shade 5 to 6, but in just 5 days, I turned into a shade 4 to 3. 4 to 3. Effective siya. If you guys want to try it out, I will leave the link in the description box. And this is not a sponsored post, by the way, but if you guys want to have a discount, I have a discount code for you. That's Isobel, YSOBEL, for an extra 400 peso discount on this kit. That's it. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed our mini PR kit unboxing for today. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this part of the video. So next time that we get other PR boxes, I can also share them with you in case you guys are also interested in those products. So again, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on our next video. Bye!